Have you ever found yourself entering random numbers into your spreadsheet to practice various features? I do regularly, and it's always hard to think of what numbers to enter. That's why I often use a brilliant formula that will enter random numbers for me. I'll start typing equals rand. I want to use rand between, so I'll double click. Then I can enter the number range I'd like to use. Let's go from 100 to 200. Close the bracket and press enter. Now I can fill it down and I have my random numbers. What a great time saver. Amazing. And that's why you need Quasar, improving efficiency and effectiveness with Microsoft Office. For more information, call us now on 08458 626265 or visit www.quasar.co.uk.